My people, my people, my people. What's up, Life is a Mission family? What's up, what's up, what's up? I hope everybody is in good health and strength. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. There is no other coverance but the Most High. No friend, no family. So just continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up, please, and thanks. And share the video. Continue to share the videos, them. In your contact, your WhatsApp, your Facebook. Whatever contact you have, just share the video, them. Because once them click on the video, I will get the views. I will get the views over here. Don't matter. But I wonder why I'm gonna share the video. Yes, man. Once them click on it, automatically on YouTube them click on, and we might just get a subscription. Alright, and please remember the backup, the young entrepreneur channel. Just go over there and get a subscription. Young entrepreneur college student, have a YouTube channel. She needs some subscription, some subscribers to get her channel monetized. Whatever she made from her channel, she can help it where her schooling is concerned. Plus she have her little business that she try with. I want to go over there and go into the website and choose something. There must be something there just for the support. And me know where you're not gonna go over there go see. It will not be like just a decoration. You will find use for it. So just go over there on our website, on our Instagram business page, and you will see whatever she have to offer customized. Tumblers, mug, cups, necklaces where jewelry is concerned, your name, whatever you want on it. Alright, my people. Alright, people. I come across a video yesterday, and I have a little bit of concern over it. You understand? It involves the police. I don't have great concern because the police are doing their job, but there's a little part that they feel as if it's okay, and I don't see it's okay. And I'm going to tell you after I show you the video, people, I'm going to tell you why I don't see it's okay. But there's a video going around with dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. We all know him, most of us, especially Jamaicans, who is incarcerated at the moment. Yeah, there's a video going around with his baby mother, Shorty Tanisha Johnson, I think her correct name is, and her son. Police went by their house, claimed that they have a warrant and thing to search a property allegedly because of information that there is 3 strange men, and the whole thing surrounding information of scamming and whatsoever, allegedly. So they comes with a warrant according to them to search. But for me, the warrant was not properly done. And I'm going to make you people watch the warrant, watch the video before I, elaborate some more on it. But they have been calling out for harassment for a while now. And as you can hear in the video, one person say, you can't just attack set on people to other people, which I don't want to go deep, but probably the person want to say, well, because of the father then, it's like them a take set on them. You understand? But stay tuned, my people. Watch the video. It's about a 7-minute video. And then remember now, go into the comment section and tell me how you feel after me make my little assertion where the whole warrant situation is concerned, and you can make a little comment on the whole video itself, what you think about it. Alright? Soon come back.
Big disgrace for people in them house. address wrong for me. Yeah, this is 86 number 1, this wrong. Yes. And where's Tanisha talking? No, the number. The address wrong. No, the police does not live here. So the them provoking. Me not see nobody else. Me not see no texted for nobody in here. And a base scam and living in a business. We not texted for nobody like we not texted to the yard here. We don't want to use people fat and fry other people. That you don't want to do. Nobody not friend. How to not have the wrong warrant. Nobody not try to prevent. We don't have the wrong warrant. What back of them in your car, you know them now come put now and plan now. Cause that's all them put for dirty police. Them what back of them and do them at the PP club.
Despite the name is correct, you understand? And they are the right persons. But the thing is, the address is wrong. So you could have been to another address abusing and harassing other people who they are not the right persons you are looking for. So when they're going to say, yeah, you know, I know the name is there and the date is correct and the JP signed it, and it don't matter the property. If there is a problem with the property number or the address, no, it is a problem. Well, alright, my people, when I realize and see the video now, so I don't know what to think about it. As I say, go into the comment section and tell me what to think about it. But for me, make a touch upon the warrant situation. They were stressing about showing them a warrant, which that's the correct way, that's the law, because you can't just want to run into a property and search without a warrant by law. Worse, we are not in a state of emergency. Well, when we are in a state of emergency, then the police have all powers to do things without those stuff, basically. But we are not in a state of emergency. So, if you went to a person, you go to a person's property for search, you're supposed to come equipped with a warrant. Anyway, they asked for the warrant. There was buck shuffle by the police, so them have warrant and whatsoever. And when them insist for the warrant, them still a buck shuffle till, I don't know if it's a superintendent, inspector or DSP or what, into khaki suit, open his diary with a little piece of white paper, which I think is something like that the warrant really write upon and stuff like that, stationery like that. He buck shuffle after opening up his diary to take the what's supposed to be the warrant out. Him lock it back, and then them say, we want to see the warrant. And him itch till him finally pull it. She said, let me see the warrant. So when she said, let me see the warrant now, by this time, allegedly, it seems like the wrong address is on the warrant. Right? The wrong address is on the warrant. It's like them would have probably leave a 54 and a 58 upon the warrant. So, the correct name Tanisha Johnson is on the warrant. The JP has signed the warrant, and probably the date is official and correct. But what I am saying here, they were disputing the warrant because of the address. And in defense, the law officers them say, from the name is correct on the warrant, and the JP signed the warrant, and the date is official. If there's a problem where some information where the building, property, or the address is concerned, that no matter. Once the name of the and the warrant is correct on the address and the JP signed it, my people, I think that is wrong. And I want you to go in the comment section and tell me what you think about what me. I'm going to say no. I figure more or less the police should have more efficient in them intelligence, because the warrant, the address and the warrant is not correct. What about if you use that address and you go over a different yard we have the address on the warrant, right? And the warrant, you go over there, go harass people who don't live in that property and that property with that name. Is that a problem? So why you're making it look like the address, it's not important here. It's just the name of the person. The person who you want live at 56, you know, named Tanisha Johnson, which them depend your warrant. But you end up now go at the address where you know where they on the paper where 58 and harass people when not Tanisha Johnson live over there. So when they're saying it's like the address is not important, I figure more or less them wrong there. So every single information in cases like this is important, and you are the law enforcers. You have to make sure you do your thorough investigation and get your file and everything right and correct. And this is why in Jamaica the police force lose so much cases. Some cases are supposed to be, you know, seal and die, them lose it because of some simple little mistake. And when it comes to court time and the people them get lawyer who is more, you know, intellectual where the law is concerned, and them going to them book, big book and rules and laws where them have, the justice system lose some simple case where them could have just soaps up because of one simple mistake, because of poor investigation, poor statement, and all these faults that these police officers always have make the justice system lose a whole heap of seal up case. Because when the people them lie are going at the details and going at this and going at that, what you gonna say? You can't say nothing because the law is there that state XYZ. You can't beat the law. So what the judge have to do? The judge have to just dash the case. So people, I want to go into the comment section and tell me what you think about the situation. I want to just see, you know, and then, you know, honestly, I don't know what kind of information the police are getting. But honestly, I think for a while now, every minute, these kids are in run-ins with the law. I don't know if they have an attitude problem or what, but whether attitude problem or not, for them to be in running with the law on a day-to-day basis, I don't think them go out there and see the police and say, go ahead, move, this, that. No. I figure more or less the police always allegedly trying to, you know, get to them. For what reason, I don't know. As somebody saying in the video, you know, indirectly, probably it's all about to the world, you know, with them father and stuff. But I figure more or less, if that's so, I figure more the higher authority who is in control, whether the Minister of Security, the Commissioner of Police, or whatsoever, supposed to get things like this sorted out. Because in the long run, when things like this continue to take place, where you see like the police and are targeting certain people on a regular basis because of some reason or the other, and then them not have no case against them, but finally down the line one of the time them are gonna have a case because most time them might and I go say it, you know. And then them come up with things and say, boy, okay, yes, me find this in the barrel, me find this under them bed, me find this in them bathroom. You understand what I say to you? So it not look good because them in this desperate need to get these people in problem. So them go travel breath, all the breath out of them body, them travel non-stop until them, you know, nail them. And sometimes it end up fatal. And then you hear say, she back a pen off of me. You hear say, boy, 20 police come and she him back one knife off of me. We serious sensible man knife head of see 20 police with big long and walliper and back pen off of you and back knife off of you. That you have to, you know, put him away fatally, and at the same time 20 and uno couldn't do it in a more professional manner if so be the case and him back a knife off of you. Because same head chip and him get ironed mental and decide say him go do something where him there not check what him do. Come on, 20 and uno man to want somebody and you say him back a pen or a knife off of you or a machete. You have to get rid of him fatally. Anyway, my people, just tell me what you think about this. Go into the comment section and let me know what you think about this. Have a blessed day. Come to the end of another video. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented TV. Entertainment. Cook vlog. Commentary in general and a whole. You know, you look at drama at times. So just tell me what you think in the comment. Remember, hit the thumbs up. And remember, the Young Entrepreneur channel. You know, college student. Go over there and get a subscription. Alright? And support our business. Just tell us Life is a Mission TV saying, you know, well, even over here so now call me Speak My Mind, which I would prefer when address me on this channel as Life is a Mission TV, yeah, instead of the Speak My Mind. The Speak My Mind stay over there, so remember this channel is, you know, it's independent by itself and we want people to get hooked on the name Life is a Mission TV. So when you're not over here, when you address me as Life is a Mission TV, you know, whatsoever. Yeah, man. So, just big up on yourself and support her. Go up on our website, man. Go buy something, man. You must find something over there on have you. So some pretty nice custom made things over there. I mean, no one like nice things and good looking things. I just recently see a post on the Instagram page where she posts a Tumblr. Me I tell you, my God, it look good. If my one never make already the color them would I want. The color just look, you know them varnish looking color. Yo, people who have to go up on the website over the charms and make sitting another. Not on the website or on the Instagram page. Just go up on our page and we get the address. You understand? I think the address in a two of the video them repost for and thing in my community. Yeah. You know, we see, I say I love that one they gone to bed. I sorry my one make already. The color way that make with man, it just sit down like it's a big professional factory make it. The color just sit down and look good. So go over there, my people, man. Support her, man. Don't just subscribe to our channel. Go up on our website, you know, and buy something, man. The tumblers them can carry hot and cold. And as I tell you, it carries a straw so you can drink from it when you drink your cold juice. Plus the cover itself, no matter how full it is, when you go and lock it and go so, not a drip, properly sealed. You understand? And if you don't want to use the straw drink, your cold drink, you can always pull off your cover, drink. You can't do it without having to pull off your cover. You just, you know them little flip up thing, you just flip it up and you drink. You understand? So nice things, man. People if you never go over there go see the tumbler, the latest tumbler that they make and post. I think I yesterday I go up on the Instagram page and see it. Me no not go one. Just go over there, go look, charms and something or another and look. You know, see the page information and come back, come tell me if you don't love it. Whether in this video comment or the next video. Just comment and tell me if I lie me and tell. It look good out of this world. I'm sorry I don't want that me get. So go over there and support them and everything over there on the website. Alright? Thanks for watching again. I come to the end of another video. Life is a mission TV, you know. Life is a mission, it's not a competition. I'm out.